everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make art for a computer nerd using these art skill markers. They are jumbo size, and in this package you have black, green, red, and blue. I bought these at Walgreens, so we're going to see how these turn out. These are jumbo markers. These are Art Skills jumbo markers. So, and the reason I am doing this video is because there is art for everybody. So, here's how this is going to work. I'm just going to do this at random here, and we are going to see how it turns out. So, the ones you're going to want to use are red, green, and blue. And yes, in that order. And the reason why is because that's the colors of the monitor. Have you ever seen an LCD monitor? When there's no input, it says RGB. So, and sometimes there is yellow, which gives you a crisper image, but I'm just going for basics here. So, this is the first time I have used these markers, so we're going to see how they turn out. So, without further ado, let's get going. It's looking really good. Okay. This covers really nicely. There we go. Now for the green. So I'm going to want it to stop here. You could do this however you like. I'm just doing it this way. There we go. Now for the blue. And as everyone knows, blue is my favorite color, so this part I extremely enjoy doing. And I'm using a regular 8.5 by 11 piece of paper here. For this, you may want to use, I recommend you use cardstock. And to make it really cool, just like the computer monitor itself. So this is artwork for a computer nerd. Pretty cool, huh? So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.